Well, this is the house of Bharat, but not this. Like this. Where is Bharat? I can find Bharat. Bharat? Are you at home? Where are you? Bharat?
Hello,
Hello?
welcome to my house.
Really nice house.
Hello.
You're in the forest.
I constructed by myself.
Really nice.
It's very good, it's very strong.
Well, I can see.
I can see, look, you can come, but this
Very-
is very strong.
Very nice.
Come inside.
I can come.
Come
Thank
on.
you.
I'll show you my house. My wife start inside.
Eyes inside.
Yeah, with my sister, the prostitute.
Ah, so we can fuck.
Alright,
Oh, there's
you bring inside.
a brother.
That's my brother Bilo.
Ah,
He's
brother.
retard.
I can see.
We open his head and put a tooth inside.
I can
He's
see.
now a little bit retard.
Oh,
Hello, goodbye, goodbye. Go to play, look. Go.
go.
Okay, go.
I can see it's very
And he can
retarded.
spend hours and hours playing like this. I just throw the stick.
Yeah.
Hey, Bilo.
Come on, go,
Look, Bilo.
go.
He's a good boy.
Yeah, I
And,
can see.
My sister.
Where is your sister?
My sister is red hair. I cannot see her. Where are you,
Sister,
sister?
can you
not
enter?
here. She's going outside. I think she's in the front yard.
In the front.
Let's go outside and meet my sister.
Okay, you can go.
I'll show you the way. Be careful.
Yeah, it's dangerous.
She's going to the right.
Oh, she's
Going
waiting
down.
away.
Come on, sister. Come here.
Where are you going, sister?
Okay, let's go. Follow
Let's
me.
go.
Be careful. There are a lot of rats. And
Yeah,
bats and all the crabs
and mouses.
and mouses and everything.
So this is not your house?
That's not. That's the president of Kazakhstan.
Ah, so
I
you
live
live
in front of him.
Ah, close to him.
But I
yeah,
use his sister as well.
yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah, it mouth in the party and sex,
So
everything.
do you have party in this park?
Yeah, I have a lot of parties. We play football,
Yeah?
but instead of playing with a ball like in Europe, we
Yeah.
play with the stones.
Really?
That's why.
How can you do with your foot?
Because we are very strong, man,
Really?
and our foot is very big.
Oh, I can see.
So, what else do you want to know from what I do in my day?
What's your work? What's your job?
I have a lot of vegetables, as you can see,
Yeah?
in the park.
Yeah?
We have carrots over there.
Yeah?
Bilo take all the carrots.
Yeah?
And
Bilot.
we have the-
Where are you going, Bilot?
Bilo doesn't talk. He doesn't talk
Ah, it doesn't talk, sorry.
because he's a retard. He
Ah,
just,
okay.
he just walk.
Okay.
Bilo, come here. Where are you going? Are you going to play with your friends? There are a lot of friends. The guy with the cap, the white cap, is a friend of yours. Go with him.
Come on.
They met each other in school before he was retard.
And they're kidding.
Kidding?
They were kidding him.
No, because before they were friends. He was not.
Ah,
retard.
okay.
He didn't born being retard.
Ah, why?
We open his head and put the tooth inside, and that's why he is retard.
Ah, I can see.
He's retard, but he knows how to do this. I teach him.
Very good. So thank you, Bharat. See you next time.
See you next time.
Thank you.